Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. Today is the finale of our first computer build series featuring the Lian Li 011 mini case. Upon completion of part 2, there were some interesting findings. If you haven't watched parts 1 or 2 yet, the links are in the description to check it out. We left off in the last video by installing the final fans within the case. The next step is starting the computer. Unfortunately for this build, the PC did not start. We then began PC diagnostics to understand the error within the build. We checked the power cables to ensure all of them are connected and in the appropriate sockets in the motherboard. Also, we made sure the PCIe power connectors were connected securely, but the PC would still not power on. We then checked the F-panel connections on the motherboard to ensure the power switch was connected properly. Finally, we switched out the power supply with an already tested working power supply, and still, the computer was not powering on. We then deemed the motherboard as the culprit. We switched out the motherboard with a Gigabyte, which we showed in part 1. We then reconnected everything and were able to successfully turn on the computer. This is a clean build that is small but packs a punch. All of the components that made it into the build are listed in the description. Thank you for watching the final part of this build series. We hope you enjoyed this reveal. Stay tuned for upcoming unboxings and reviews as well as Season 2 of the computer build series. Season 2 will feature an inverted build with a highly sought after GPU. Check out our previous videos, the links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below on what you would like us to do in upcoming videos.